My name is Brianna Amy, and I am the head dance coach of the Coronado Cougarettes dance team. From 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., I'm teaching dance. And then after school, I coach the dance team from 2:30 to 4:30. And then I'm also a choreographer. And so I work with teams and studios all over the country. What stood out to me most about the band app was that it was everything in one place. Your pictures, your videos, your calendar, your chats, your everything in one nice place. So it allowed me to consolidate all of the different apps I was using into one. And so it's made our lives as coaches a million times easier. So we have the team band and we have the parent band. We use them differently. Our team band is a lot more practice-based. We'll post videos from every single practice where the girls have to comment and give cleans. We'll give them all of the information for what they're wearing. It's very much informational based, whereas the parent band is a lot more sharing based in the sense that if we have a competition, we'll create an album for competition pictures and all of the different parents add the pictures that they got from that competition so that all of the other parents can see them as well. That would be the biggest difference between the two bands for us. We probably utilize every single feature that band has to offer. We have the polling feature. We'll use that for sizes sometimes. We'll say, hey girls, we're ordering new shirts. Tap below what size you want. And we'll put small, medium, large. And then we can see who tapped small, who tapped medium, who tapped large. And then we know like that, how many of each size to order. We use the posts. We mostly use the posts to post videos of their practices. And then they comment below what they need to clean, what they need to work on, what was really good. They'll give each other shout outs on the comments for the videos. Band has read receipts and you can see who has read your message and who hasn't. And so we can use that as accountability too and be like, hey, you read it, but you didn't respond. What's going on? We'll use the calendar feature to set our entire season up, right? We put all of our practices in there, all of our football games, all of our basketball games, all of our competitions, every performance that we have, we put in the calendar. So the girls have that. There's also another really cool feature where you can share one calendar to another band. So I connect the kids' band calendar to the parents. So anything I put into the kids' calendar, the parents can see as well. We use the albums. We use the albums for any event. We'll have all of the girls or parents add all of their pictures from a certain event into an album for that event. Our most used feature on the band app is definitely the messaging app. We have all different types of group chats. We have like our full team group chat, plus our seniors group chat, plus our like new girls group chat, plus we'll have individual chats with girls that we use every single day. The files is nice, how you can upload files. So like I share my music with my girls using band. I'll upload the file for our music. In our tryout band, I upload all of our tryout packets, our constitution, our COVID release forms. It's nice that you can upload those files. On band, we use the live band feature, which is really fun. We do that for pretty much any time we have a parent meeting. We hop on, we give the parents all the information. They're able to comment and ask any questions so we can answer them. It's nice because we don't have to meet in person. And so we don't have to worry about parents not being able to make it. Another thing that's nice about band is there's that extra layer of protection when everyone is on that team band app and I don't have to give out my personal number. I'm not communicating with kids one-on-one. They don't have my number. I don't have their number. It's all on the band app. So it's that extra layer of protection, a little bit less liability. And if administrators want to know what's going on with anything, absolutely. Here's our band app. Everything's in this. This is where all of our communication is done. I highly recommend Band app to any teacher, any coach, anyone who has to organize a group of people because it's literally everything you need in one place.